fired by the spirit with which tradition has so richly endowed their regiment. Amazing scenes of ruin are left in the trail of a freak storm in New South Wales. With the violence of a tropical whirlwind, the disaster overwhelmed a suburb of Sydney, leaving death and destruction in its wake. There were 4 fatalities and many injuries, while houses were smashed like cardboard boxes. And it all happened without any warning. In half an hour it was over. Another disaster with a happier ending also strikes in the same locality. Railway accidents are as scarce on Sydney's electric railway as they are in Britain. But here, for once in a way, something went wrong. The result, havoc. The clearing up process shows pretty clearly what a different story would have had to be told if the trains had not been empty. As it happened, no one was hurt. A typewriter to print music. At last it seems that a perfect